Hey all, welcome to Unleash Dance. Today's topic is shoulder stand. Now, what you might know a shoulder stand traditionally as is Sarvangasana, which we do in yoga, which is this one. But we have a slightly different take in contemporary dance when it comes to shoulder stand. Alright? So I'm going to teach it to you in a progression. The first thing that we need to understand is the weight shift. Alright? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit in a swastika like this. As I mentioned in the previous videos, this is the swastika position. Right? You place your arm right next to the knee and you drop down on your shoulder like that. Then you use your other arm for support. Now you need to understand that all your weight is going to be on this shoulder, whichever shoulder you're putting down. Right now on my right side, so all the weight is going to be on the right shoulder. Right? Now, what the first step I want to do is the bottom leg. I want to place the toes down and turn the knee downwards, keeping the other leg in the air. So the knee is facing down, not forward. Knee is facing down. Use this hand to share the weight and back. Alright? So that is just a small taste of how much weight is going to be on your shoulder. Right? Now, what I want you to also make sure that this foot doesn't slide off. Alright? By that I mean from here, you don't want this foot to slide off. Make sure it stays where it is. Let me give you a small example. Take this bottle. I'm going to place it right next to my foot. Yeah. My goal is to not knock this down. So I take the same position, find my toes, and come up. Yeah. And now I want you to keep this bottle. And what you're going to do now is extend the lower leg. Yeah. Here, we're going to extend the lower leg without knocking the bottom down. Yeah, and back. One more time. And up. Good. Make sure you're facing frontal, not up or down. Alright, you have to make sure your chest is facing the front and your weight is mostly on the right shoulder. Keep your head away. You can use it to get some weight to the head as well, but I would recommend keeping the head away from the floor. Alright? Now, let's put the bottle away now that we understood how the leg should stay. Right. Moving on. So, we place the foot and we extend the other leg as well. Making sure that this hand is also helping you keep it. Don't let this leg drop to the front like this, keep it up as high as possible. Keep your legs split as far as you can. And drop. Now, this is the interesting part. Now we take off the bottom leg as well. So for just to understand initially, you can take a little bit of momentum. You can go like that. Or you can try this method as well, where you keep bringing the leg closer and closer till it comes off the floor, coming to a split in the air. Yeah? So you could try either, whichever method works best for you. Then, making sure your legs are as far apart as possible. Yeah? And all the weight is on the right shoulder. You have to make sure that your hip is constantly moving ahead. Yeah? The minute you push your hip back, you will cease to do a shoulder step. So keep your hip front. The minute you collapse on the hip, the move is over. Right? So pushing your hip forward, pushing your chest forward, and facing frontal. Right? So let's just do this a few times. 5, 6, 7, and up, down, up, down. On the left side, 5, 6, 7, go, up, down, up, and down. There are many variations to the shoulder stand, but make sure that you practice this version before you try the other versions as well. Right? Awesome. Make sure you do this, make sure you understand the weight shift and the alignment, and then practicing with an object next to the foot so that the foot stays steady. Alright? Keep practicing.